So welcome back to the channel and welcome to a new location, and this is my favourite. We're in the Central Highlands of Costa Rica and we're about 2,600, 2,800 metres, which is about 8,500 feet up. So it's incredible here. This is the cabin I had last year, which is the furthest one away, nice and quiet. And this is currently my view at the moment. Look at that. Kind of, it's a bit blown out. But it's a bit raining at the minute, but it's stunning here. Gardens in front of me there. There's an old shed down there, but this is me on my own here. But it's fantastic. Really is my favourite place. This is my room. This is my little wardrobe, window, heater over there, hot water bottle as well, which is, I did have it, it's down there, so obviously it does get cold here, about sort of 6 degrees. And that is it, but pretty cool. Bathroom, shower, happy days. My little cabin. This is outside. There we are. Amazing. So we're here for 3 nights, and this is where we hope to see some of the species that are kind of specialist in this area. Volcano Hummingbird, Talamanca Hummingbird. We've got long-tailed silky flycatcher, slaty flower piercer, and what else we got? The Resplendent Quetzal as well, which is kind of the special bird here. Yeah, so it's pretty amazing. It's Hummingbird Central up here as well, and it's just magical. So I'm going to get unpacked, download my images for the day, and probably sit down and chill out for a bit. But stay tuned. This is probably one of my favourite parts of the trip. So morning and welcome back to the channel. It's kind of probably about 4 or 5 degrees here this morning, so pretty chilly. Just got myself a nice cup of coffee just to wake myself up. It is now 4:45 and we're heading out at 5:15 to hopefully find the Resplendent Quetzal, which is the national bird of Guatemala and a beautiful bird here in Costa Rica. Males have a very, very long tail stream. Not always, dependent on what maturity the Quetzal is, but last year we managed to find a male with a shorter tail and a male with a long tail. Amazing. So we've got to head out early, going on a long trail for about 20 minutes to get to an area in a valley where there's lots of avocado. Very, very small berried looking things, not like the avocado we get in the UK or in Europe. So we're hoping to get lucky. It's been around, it's a good spot for them. So I'm just having a nice cup of coffee to wake me up. Then I've got to hike up to the top and get on the transport and off we go. So I've just been doing a quick edit for socials. I try to get one out daily and hopefully we'll have a great day and the clients will get to see the Resplendent Quetzal, which is an amazing bird. So stay tuned. Fingers crossed the quest for the Quetzal comes through. So we've just set up for the Quetzals. Lots of people here, as you can see, and all the way around there. So this is a great area for the Quetzals. Apparently there's 3 pairs here. They're not actually breeding yet. They don't breed till sort of late March, April. But it's a really good place. And they've got the avocado trees here, which they predominantly feed on. Very, very small berries. And there's no bait involved. This is just natural birds coming in on the tree to feed with a few perches placed so they can feed on there and just digest and just chill. So we're really hoping to see them. There's no guarantees, but it's one hell of a bird, and yeah, hopefully we'll get lucky. Here's a few pictures on the wall. Got all the guys in the back there, got coffee and some corn biscuits. So pretty damn cool, really. Hell of a setup, lovely place, and a great morning for it. Let's hope we all get lucky. So we're on the move. Quetzal's been reported about 200 metres this way. So we're heading up into the hill to see if we can find it. This is great. It's nice to be mobile. So on the last tour last year, I saw the Quetzal a few times. Didn't get any great shots, mind, but hoping this year we get some shots. Best of luck. So we just had the Quetzal in, excavating the nest, which was absolutely awesome. And I've just got the 300 on full frame, so I'm quite a way off. Images are sort of okay, maybe a little bit soft. It was on the perch just behind, going into the log with the nest the other side, excavating it. Beautiful to see, and then it flew over our heads. So yeah, made up, clients are well happy. Seen the Quetzal, which is a massive tick on that list of birds to see here in Costa Rica. The guides here, superb, local knowledge. We're just in someone's house at the moment, and yeah, well happy. Seen the Quetzal, superb. So, pretty successful morning with the Quetzals. Seen the male and female, and just at the end made a choice to move locations. 50-50 chance of them coming back to the original spot, and the female was there perched, and then the male came in briefly. I got a back end shot of it with its tail streamers blowing in the wind, but still great to see. And we're back out again this afternoon for the Quetzal, so maybe some great shots this afternoon with some good light. But now heading back for breakfast. Well guys, good morning. This is day 8 of the tour. Beautiful view behind as always. And I'm just heading up for breakfast. Drunk a bit too much coffee this morning and I got a bit of a shaky hand. But still, so looking forward to getting out today. We're heading down into the valley for some endemic hummingbirds here, as well as hopefully emerald toucanets, a few other species. But I'm going to sign off talking to the camera whilst going up here because it's a bit of a steep climb. But yeah, bit of a wild old night with the weather, a bit stormy. Hear bird song all around. Absolutely gorgeous. Whew, amazing. Looking forward to a fun packed day. So just got to our destination for the day and we're down here in the valley. We've come so far down into this valley here. We've got flame coloured tanagers here and some specialist hummingbirds, hoping to see the emerald toucanet as well. And this is where I had the American dippers last year, which was amazing. So just spotting now to see if I can see them.
But what a wonderful place to be, warming up nicely from a chilly morning. Looking forward to a day of birding and photography down here in this gorgeous location. So just perched here along the river, looking at a torrent tannulet, which is quite a kind of scarce species here in the valley. Beautiful little bird, very small, but very hard to photograph. The light's really harsh. Ran a bit of video and got some distant shots, but it's a new species. So really pleased to have seen it, but wonderful spot here. Great to see it. Just be nice if I got a better shot of it, but still, can't get them all the time.
So we left the valley and the river after a great morning and headed to a new location in search of new species, including flycatchers, hummingbirds and warblers, all photographed in between the odd rain shower.
So just packing up my bags, heard the faint call of the long-tailed silky flycatcher, and it's just got it in the tree here on one of its favoured berry bushes. Steve's here, just getting a few shots of it, but magnificent bird, endemic to Costa Rica and Western Panama, An absolute little gem of a bird, just feeding there. Lovely, nice way to finish off our time here at Quetzal Lodge. It's been amazing. Anyway, back to it. So we've just met some local farmers and they said that they've got some great wildlife on their land.